Hello everybody, I am here with just a fun little preview of the December kit. So, funny story, we weren't gonna do anything super Christmassy, but I had enough people reach out and say, oh, I'm hoping you'll do something Christmassy. So we went ahead and switched at the last minute and created this really wonderful Christmas themed kit. It's very traditional, it's kind of a muted Christmas. So I'm just going to show you a few of the elements in it. I haven't printed all of them yet, but it'll give you a good idea. So these are the funnest little projects, and there's a couple of them in the kit, and everything is in there for you to just play with and have fun with, and I'll show you what they are. They're going to be these really fun little tags that have this hidden little, it's almost like a popsicle, like those little popsicles you used to make when you were a kid. Anyway, so there's a couple of those, a couple different colors. We have this really fun style of envelope. I have several of these in here, and they come with all sorts of ephemera and different things to decorate, little bits. I've cut out a bunch of them, but just a lot of fussy cuts and little things to decorate your envelopes with. And here's a couple more of those envelopes. I think there's 3 in the kit, and they're really cute. It was an idea from Seven Plaza, and I'm really excited to make those. Let's see, this is a bunch of just ephemera, on a little larger scale. So we have that. These are pockets. Let's see, some of these are upside down. Let me get them right. Just some pockets that you can add extra things on from all of the stuff here, as well as there's some labels. I'll get to that in a minute, but they're designed to go on there too. We have these really tall envelopes, and there's a couple in the kit, and then some extra things to just have fun with that. That one I think we took out. Here's kind of an idea of the papers. They're very Christmassy. We've got some classic stripes, some Scandinavian. It's really pretty. There's more papers too. Like I said, I haven't finished printing everything, but I wanted to give you just a preview. We've got a couple of tiny envelopes, and we have this page of just fussy cut flowers, and this page of just random ephemera. A couple of pages of tags. I think there's 2. And I did another one of tabs just because I thought these would be really perfect for a Christmas journal. Here's those labels. This one comes in blank too, in case you want to add your own words. But those are going to be really fun to add to tags and envelopes. And we have a couple of these fun little things. And I have a video coming out soon that's going to show how this one all goes together, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Anyway, they turn into these really wonderful, tall kind of pockets with a fold out and lots of little tucks and spots in here. But that's going to be a really fun one. There's a couple different varieties of that. And that was inspired by Crafty by Tony. So anyway, I've just taken some of these really fun videos and turned them into some little kits for us for our December kit, because sometimes it's hard to see something and then create it unless you have it all ready to go like this. Just cut it out and put it together. So that's the quick run through of the December kit. Heads up, it will be in the Etsy shop right away, as well as the subscription kit, because we realize it's December. And so if you wanted a kit for Christmas, then time is of the essence. So we made that one available right away for you. So we'll have the link for that down below. If you don't want to be in the subscription kit, that's fine too. You can just do a one-time of it in the Etsy shop. Or you can just watch along with the different videos and get inspired and create some of your own magic with your own supplies that you're trying to work through already. So Anyway, we're excited. It's going to be a fun month of crafting, and I hope you'll join in and have fun with us. And thank you so much for watching. We will talk to you later. Bye.